Did you know that KitKat was originally created in the UK in 1935 by the company Rowntree's and was initially called Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp? The chocolate bar originally had only one layer, but in 1957 a version with 4 layers was released, which became a real hit and was named KitKat. Hello, this is Proxima, and today we will find out how KitKat is produced. But first I want to remind you that every commentator will be featured in the next video. Now get ready, we're starting. KitKat is one of the most popular brands of chocolate bars in the world, and their production may differ depending on the region. In this case, I will talk about the production of KitKat in Europe and the United States. The production of KitKat starts with the creation of chocolate mass. Typically, it consists of cocoa powder, sugar, and milk powder. These ingredients are mixed in large barrels and then ground until a homogeneous mass is obtained. Then the mass is heated and cooled several times to achieve the desired consistency. Next, the filling for the bars is created. It can be made from caramel waffle flakes or other ingredients. For example, in Europe and the United States, a filling made of sugar paste with the addition of peanuts is often used. Once the chocolate mass and filling are ready, they are assembled together. Special equipment is used to produce KitKat, which allows the filling to be distributed along the bar. Then the bars are dipped in chocolate and cooled to harden the chocolate. Next, the bars are cut into separate pieces. This happens on a special line, where the bars pass through a sharp knife that cuts them into individual parts. After this, the bars are packed in individual packaging, which can be either paper or plastic. Typically, each package features the KitKat logo and information about the product's ingredients and nutritional value. In addition, various technologies are used in KitKat production to control the product's quality. For example, a special device is used in the manufacturing process to measure the weight of each bar to ensure it meets certain standards. Furthermore, taste and texture tests, as well as tests for the presence of various additives and contaminants, are conducted during KitKat production. This ensures that each KitKat bar meets the high-quality standards set by Nestle, the company that produces KitKat. After the bars are packaged and pass quality control, they are ready to be shipped to warehouses and sold in supermarkets, vending machines, or specialized sales points, depending on the country and region. The Nestle company continually improves its production technologies to ensure high quality and a variety of flavor combinations for consumers worldwide. It is important to note that the production of KitKat and other confectionery products can vary greatly in different regions of the world. For example, in Japan, KitKat bars are produced in various unusual flavor combinations, such as sea salt, green tea, pudding, and even sake. Thus, the production of KitKat is a complex process that includes several stages, from creating chocolate mass to packaging and quality control of the finished bars. Nestle constantly improves its production technologies to ensure high quality and variety of flavor combinations for consumers around the world. What do you think about the production process? Write your thoughts in the comments. Also, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon.